Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, set settings icon from top. Select device preferences. Under device preferences, so first we have to ensure that TV has chromecast feature. In this TV, under device preferences, we can see chromecast built-in option. That means this TV has chromecast feature. Okay, so then go up and select about. Here we can see device name. Please note this device name. We can edit this name and we can give any name here. So right now this is the name of this TV. Please note it. Then go back. Again go to settings. Then here we can see this TV has connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So we have to connect both the TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, let me go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then select network and internet. And here we can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, we can use mobile hotspot. In that case, we have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same mobile hotspot. So let me close this screen. Then again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Select connected devices, tap here. Select connection preferences. Tap on cast. You can see this phone has detected my TV. Here you can see the TV name, Android TV. So this cast feature of phone will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. So here this mobile phone has detected my TV. That is why it's showing TV name here. Tap on TV name. Tap on start now. See, it's working. Let me focus TV screen. Okay, see. So this way we can do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. We can also watch YouTube videos in full screen. Just open YouTube app in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So here I am using Realme mobile phone. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring, how we can disconnect. Again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connected devices. Tap on connection preferences. Select cast. So here we can see connected TV. Tap on this connected TV name. Now we get this disconnect option. Tap on disconnect. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. Please take it.